Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Grammar Made Easy. Today in this video I have decided to cover present perfect and past simple tenses. I'd like to throw some light on their differences and usage as well. Let's get started. If you look at this slide, I have divided it into two portions. One for present perfect and another one for past simple tense. In present perfect, we don't have a definite time. Look at these examples. I have never been to Canada. There is no definite time given here. Have you ever eaten at that restaurant? There is no definite time. On the other hand, in past simple tense, we have definite time. But it is not always the case, because sometimes from the context we understand that it is actually a complete action, so we express it in past simple tense. Look at this example here, please. Many people died in 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic. So 2020 is a definite time. Recent actions which have their results in present, we express those ideas also in present perfect tense. I have reached to the bus station. It means that I am waiting for the bus now. He has a bad crash. It means that he is still in the hospital. However, actions which happened in the past, they usually don't have any connection, then we express them in past simple tense. Like the example which is given here, he had a bad crash. Probably now he is out of the hospital. Look at the third difference. Recent actions when time is not mentioned. If you look at here, this example, I have gone through the story, but I don't understand the symbolism in it. This is a recent action. It means that I have read this story a few minutes earlier than this time, but actually we do not mention a definite time here. The actions which took place at a definite time in the past, but sometimes we do not mention the time here as well. But we are sure that actually it happened in the past. The train was 10 minutes late. There is actually no definite time mentioned here, okay? How did you get admission in this university? We don't know that actually what time they are talking about. The action which happened in the past, but that they also can recur. Like he has written many poems. It is expected that you may see some other poems by this writer. So it means that it is not over yet. The simple past is also used for the past habits. For example, he always walked at night. This is the habit of the person, but we are talking about the past time, which is actually already past. They never cheated on the tests. This is also, the habit of a person. We use expressions like this morning, this evening, afternoon, or this afternoon, this night, this week, this month, this year, etc. in present perfect tense. For example, I have written 3 stories this week. Have you had your breakfast this morning? Be careful please, morning is still 11 a.m. So if somebody is using present perfect tense, it means that he is talking about before 11 a.m. If it is after 11 a.m., then we must use past simple tense. You can look at this example here. Did you eat your breakfast this morning? It means that we are using now past simple tense. That's why actually it is clear that it has happened after 11 a.m. Using for or since in time expressions. You have to be very careful when you are using these two adverbs. Action started in the past, but it actually, they continue in present. For example, she has taught here for 2 years. It means that still she teaches there. She has been in China since May. It means she hasn't returned yet. She's still in China. Look at the past simple tense here. When we are using for in time expressions, the action which started and ended in the past, like she was in Chicago for 2 months. It means that it was in the past. It has no connection at all with the present. It is a complete action. It is over. You have to remember these adverbs or phrases which are used usually in present perfect tense. Never, ever, but in questions, please. So far, till now, yet, in questions and in negatives. Already, today, this week, this month. This is what we had today here in this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you very much for listening. Good luck and have a very good day ahead.